You ready, boy? Are you ready? We got the cars packed out. I got my harness bar, my seats in here, a whole bunch of other little crap. This man got his beast mobile packed out. Gotta, you gotta keep that diffuser safe, all that other crap. And the whole Rocket Bunny is pretty much in here. Hopefully it's secure. It's gonna be a long 4 days, my friend.
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What you say?
I think this car is gonna look disgusting. I think when those flares get literally cut off, it's gonna be a very hard thing to watch. But apparently CJ Motoring knows what they're doing, knows what he's doing. So apparently he can take them off and still be able to sell them. So we'll see. Cool.
Alright, we are currently waiting for CJ to stop taking his shit. We're de-widebodying the 240SX today, and then re-widebodying it with a real kit. Currently this is a fake kit. Been on there for about 3 years. It got molded, everything like that. Everything's cracking, and it's single stage paint, so it's shot. Biggest fear right now, those flares coming off in one piece, which I don't think is gonna happen, but CJ said he could do it. And getting off those 180 skirts in one piece without fucking them up or damaging them, because they are expensive side skirts and I'd like to sell them. Besides that, I'm not too worried about everything else. Getting the kit on and fitting it properly in the time frame that we have is gonna be hard. I have 4 days to get this car fitted with the Rocket Bunny version 2, sanded, and try and get my interior done, and a little bit of other stuff that you'll see along the way, like refinishing my wheels. So, to be honest, this is gonna be a hard day. Hard 4 days. And this man's here to witness the bull crap.
Feeling.
Don't mold your flares.
That's how we're feeling?
Don't mold your flares. Again, for the people in the back. Don't mold your flares. You guys hear that?
I'm sorry, what?
Don't mold them. Oh, don't mold them.
Okay. Copy. You fucking
hot
cuck.
ketchup.
It's mine, you cuck. Shut up. Yours are right there. Stop bitching. What freaking nature eats eggs with no ketchup?
If it's scrambled, you could eat it with ketchup, but not on a fucking roll, and then it ruins it. Too soggy.
We'll see what the comments say about that.
The back is going to be the problem. At least we could take these off. Bumper, I mean the quarter panel's not so much, so I don't know. We got one of the flares off. I'm really worried about...
Take the wheels off, do the same thing you're doing here. That's going to be your best bet.
It's harder though.
It's going to be your
Take it off.
best bet. What are those held on by? The skirts? Are there screws underneath it?
It's fucking horrible.
There it is. You see the sweat drip? Did you see it? Did you miss it?
All that drip.
Going blind. I think I'm just gonna stare at that and go to work like I'm sorry, but I can't work.
Right into it, come on. Look! Look! Look at it! Just mint. That also kind of come up a little bit. So, pretty much, we have to start sanding. I'm gonna start with 80 grit. There's so much Bondo caked on this car. I had all the chips. I think CJ literally just threw them out, but it was just chips with Bondo. But we're gonna get all this Bondo off the fenders. After that, front fenders put on and the front bumper, and then hopefully the side skirts after that. And then we're gonna move to the back. And then we gotta get the rear fenders off and duckbills coming off, things like that. So let's hope we can get that done today. We got a few hours. It's only noon right now. So I guess we got another 9 hours or so. Which I do. So hopefully we'll be alright with that.
It's a lot of Bondo. Oh, jeez. Ah.
King James. So just my luck. We broke the compressor. Wound rusty boy. Yeah.
Can't tell. Compressor. You're supposed to drain it every time you use it.
Well, when's the last time it got drained?
Last year.
Well. Okay, so since we're waiting for the, what the fuck is that called?
Compressor.
That shit. To cool down because the internal breaker went off because I was overdoing it. I gotta take this bitch off and I'm scared. I'm scared. Fuck. Alright, you ready?
Go for it. I'm actually very excited. It's like going back in time.
When I say I'm fucking afraid to see what's under this, I'm afraid. I'm hoping there's zero rot. I'm pretty sure it's white underneath, but
Yeah, the carbon wrap is still on it. Oh shit. Woo!
Fuck yeah. Yo, look OEM, bro. Look at that, bro. That's OEM, the car's gonna look.
You got that painted on the car?
I never said I did it right.
That looks fire.
So now you have to sand the trunk.
That's just a bad one.
You've got spidey webs.
I wonder if
What is this?
I'm not doing that.
Do that again.
No, that was
Do
the
it
one time.
again.
That was the one time for you.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Not doing it again.
Do it again. Whose car is this?
Sorry.
Whose car is this?
It's my bill, they do it for me.
So, you've got a problem, my boy.
Storms are brewing, boys.
You've got a big problem, my
Yo,
boy.
every time I work on my car here, that fucking happens. It's a fucking sign.
So what was all that shit you were talking about? Saying don't Bondo your car, and here you are.
Don't Bondo your flares. I need to fill the fucking leaves. It's different.
Have we shown? Oh yeah, well, the remnants, the garbage. Holy shit! Nah, bro, you gotta move this shit like now. It's fucking coming in fast. Literally like 3-5 minutes ago, I told you to start hurrying it up because it's here. Well, it's fucking here.
More than
It's about to start fucking pouring ass.
Spread them home.
I probably know how to get close to the
You really have to take the fender off the car.
Huh?
Take the fender off the car.
No, there's a fucking holes in my car.
Whatever you're gonna do, you better do it now, boy. So, what's the consensus?
Waiting for Bondo to dry. Pouring out. Pouring out.
H2O
Every
prep
time-
all over again.
Every time I work on my car. Literally.
Give me a hug.
No, stop. Give
me a hug.
No, this is a new shirt.
Oh, where you gonna go? Where you gonna go? Into the water?
Nick, please.
Give me a hug.
Please, it's a new shirt. Please.
Just give me a hug.
No, please. Can you let me back inside?
No, give me a hug.
Nick!
I want a hug.
No, stop.
Love me.
CJ, get
Love
your
me.
brother. No, come on.
Oh, go. Come on, keep backing up.
Can you
Come
stop?
on. Feel my back.
No.
Give it a nice slap.
Stop being gross.
There's no way I have that little fucking
Ew.
Yeah, I'm actually